In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dates automatically in Google Sheets, a handy skill that can save you time and keep your data organized. Let's dive right in and master date autofill. The first thing you'll need to do is open up a Google Sheet. Now, if you don't have one open yet, you can quickly jump into Google Sheets by heading over to your browser and accessing your Google Drive. Once you're in Google Sheets, select a cell where you'd like to enter your data. This will act as your starting point for inputting the initial date. Now that you've selected a cell, it's time to type in a valid date. Make sure the format is correct. Commonly, people use formats like MMDD YYYYY or YYYYY MMDD. After typing in your date, hit the Enter key. This action confirms your entry and moves the selection focus off your current cell. Following the entry of your initial date, we need to use some simple formulas. Select another cell, which will be the spot where you'll enter a formula to automatically update the date. For this, we're going to use a very straightforward formula. Equal sign followed by the word today, and then an opening and a closing parenthesis. This will automatically pull in the current date every time you open the Google Sheet, making sure your document is up to date. Once you've typed this in, go ahead and hit Enter. You'll see today's date appear in the cell you selected. Next up, let's add more dates. Pick another cell where you want to continue the sequence of dates. Enter another valid date that fits your needs, and press Enter once more. Then click on the cell that holds this new date, and this is where the magic happens. You'll be using the mouse to fixate on that small blue square at the lower right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. Click and hold it, and then drag it down to fill the cells below. This nifty action utilizes Google Sheets' autofill feature to continue your date series without error. And voila, you should see a perfectly autofilled date sequence appearing down the column. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your data current and organized without the need for manual date entries. These techniques not only help keep track of time-sensitive data, but also reduce errors and save hours of work. Hopefully, this tutorial makes your Google Sheets experience much smoother and your data management more efficient. This skill truly comes in handy for tracking deadlines, setting up schedules, or whenever you need to date stamp your data in an organized manner. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for more helpful tips.